Looks can be deceptive. Things can look different from the way they really are. This is the Rode VideoMic NTG, on-camera shotgun microphone. Directional, highly directional supercardioid polar pattern with flat frequency response. Sent by Rode Pakistan for a mic review. The mic comes with a 3.5mm and USB-C cables, as well as a foam windshield in the box. This is actually a hybrid mic because it can be used as a USB mic for podcasts or voiceovers. Controls high pass filter, pad, high frequency boost, dB peak warning light and safety channel. At the end of the mic is actually a circular dial to adjust the gain. The included shock mount features cable threading clamps to control cable slack, and its base mounts to a camera via the cold shoe. An adjustable sliding rail allows you to fine-tune the mic placement forward or backward. There is no TRS or TRRS cable confusion with this mic. It detects the type of 3.5mm jack it's connected to and adapts accordingly. NTG uses an internal battery and has an estimated battery life of roughly 30 hours. The battery charges via the included USB-C cable, and the mic will automatically power down when it senses the camera it's connected to is off. The VideoMic NTG includes a foam windshield to minimize unwanted wind noise from light, breezes, fan, heaters, and air conditioners. It's a highly directional mic, which means it must be pointed precisely towards the desired pickup source. To understand that, let's make an orbit around this mic using this infamous Pakistani crowd tune. So that was the supercardioid polar pattern using this tutni. It has a button to control high pass filter. You can disable the filter or select either a 75 Hz or a 150 Hz cutoff to roll off low frequency noise or rumbles from your neighbor's ceiling fans or air conditioners, even from the voice. My voice is rumbly, so let's give it a try. If you understand or if you don't, if you believe or if you doubt, there is a universal justice, and the eyes of truth are always watching you. If you understand or if you don't, if you believe or if you doubt, there is a universal justice, and the eyes of truth are always watching you. If you understand or if you don't, if you believe or if you doubt, there is a universal justice, and the eyes of truth are always watching you. Below this, there are also options to engage the -20 dB safety channel, a pro-grade feature that records a simultaneous pass at 20 dB lower just in case there are peak issues with the main recording and it's unusable. So let's have a demonstration. Let me call Bashir! 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 As you can see, Bashir is clipped on the main channel, but it is completely safe on the safety channel, which runs at -20 dB. So this is Khajjal Khwari. I'm in quick vlog test. Camera gain 3, NTG gain 13, focal length 24mm. Remember those circles? That baldy is gone though. Good riddance. Alright, that's enough. No, wait. Let's do some shock mount test. And this is the D80 D4 Mini. Apple versus oranges. Not a fair comparison, I know. But just for fun, I had to crank up the gain in the camera to 15 because there is no control on this entry-level mic. So I was mostly recording on this amazing D80 D4 Mini, but now I'm using this one for the final thoughts. The Rode VideoMic NTG is a feature-packed, broadcast-grade shotgun microphone, but a little overkill for my use case. It has too many controls for my likings. For example, I don't think I'll ever use that safety channel feature, just like I never used the second SD card slot on my A7 III before replacing it with the single slot A7C. Sometimes simple can be better. I tend to keep things simple in my life. I don't wear a watch. Don't even carry a wallet in my pocket. Just a couple of cards and some change, that's all. Plain clothes. Heck, even that wall clock. I'm such a minimalist nutcase. So I'm looking forward to the newly launched VideoMic Go 2 from Rode, which comes at about half the price with same hybrid capabilities as this NTG. It is much lighter and compact, with neither fancy controls nor battery charging requirements. Available in Pakistan soon, I reckon. Simplicity and minimalism for the win. I'll see you in the next one.